In a major development on the global trade front, India is on track to become the first country to finalize a bilateral trade agreement, that's a BTA, with the United States, according to US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent. The deal, if sealed, would not only strengthen economic ties between the two countries but also help India sidestep the 26% reciprocal tariffs temporarily paused till July. Speaking to a group of journalists on Wednesday, Besant described the India-US trade talks as being very close to a breakthrough. Highlighting India's relatively open trade structure, he remarked, India doesn't have so many high tariffs, fewer non-tariff trade barriers, obviously no currency manipulation, very little government subsidies. So reaching a deal with the Indians is much easier. The foundation for this potential agreement was laid earlier this year during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting with US President Donald Trump in Washington. The proposed BTA aims to more than double bilateral trade to $500 billion by 2030, up from the current $190 billion. The first in-person meeting between chief negotiators from both countries began on Wednesday in Washington. India's delegation, led by Chief Negotiator Rajesh Agrawal, arrived earlier this week to work through 3 days of intense discussions. With the 90-day pause on steep reciprocal tariffs set to expire in early July, both sides are aiming to fast-track progress towards at least an interim government. India, like several other nations, still faces a 10% tariff under current US policy. A comprehensive deal could eliminate or reduce these trade barriers significantly. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, who was recently in the US, shared optimism about the outcome. Addressing the Indian diaspora in San Francisco, she said, "We are one of the countries that's actively engaging with the new US administration to see how best we can get a bilateral trade agreement done." She also expressed hope that the first phase of the deal could conclude by fall this year. As negotiations continue, the world is watching closely. A successful India-US trade deal could become a blueprint for future bilateral trade agreements under the evolving US trade policy and mark a strategic economic milestone for both nations.